Well, good morning. I'm John Trierweiler with your most accurate forecast. It is going to be another hot day in the valley. 112 today, not far off from that record we set back in 2009 at 115. We saw temperatures in the mid to low 90s this morning in Phoenix. We're already at 102 this midday, so that temperature continues to rise, and it will throughout the day. Here it is statewide right now. Like we said, 102 in Phoenix, Lake Havasu 104. Obviously, your cooler temperatures up north, 78 in Flagstaff, and Flagstaff probably going to come in as our coolest spot today statewide. Here we are right now in the valley. Take a look at things. Just about everybody in the low 100s, a few places still in the high 90s, but everybody in the valley is going to get a taste of that triple-digit heat today. Let's time it out for you. Here we go. Look at that by 1 o'clock. We're already at 105 and 112 by 4 o'clock. That's our forecast high. So like we said, that heat will just build throughout the day and not much relief as we get into the night. Only 101 still, above 100 degrees by 10 p.m. So here it is, everybody taking in on the high heat. Your coldest spot, Cave Creek at 107, but just about every other valley city is going to experience at least 110 or above today. So we'll be watching. It's why today is an ABC 15 weather action day, and statewide again, southwestern Arizona, you're going to see those hotter temperatures. And like we said, the coldest spot today will be Flagstaff at 83 for their forecast high, 115, the hottest at Lake Havasu. That's why we have an excessive heat warning in effect, mainly for Metro Phoenix and, like we said, southwestern Arizona. It's going to be in place through Saturday. So we'll be watching that with these high temperatures, because tomorrow going to be another hot day as well. Let's take a look at Desert Doppler, show you what's going on there. Again, you see this moisture coming up here, indicated by these white clouds. Radar is picking up some precipitation, but the majority of that not actually making it to the ground. It'll evaporate before it gets there. It's just still too dry out for that to happen. We're not ruling out, though, the potential for thunderstorms to happen, especially up here in the high country. You can see that risk today, even closer to the valley and down here by Phoenix and Tucson, the I-10 corridor. We'll be watching that closely today for the potential of some blowing dust. So we'll keep that in mind. Here's Futurecast. We time it out for you. You can get a look. That's what we're talking about the afternoon. Some of these thunderstorms in the mountains and along the rim, they could start to flare up. And again, even the potential for something to happen closer here to the valley as we get into the evening and towards the later and overnight hours. We're not ruling out the potential for a thunderstorm or a stray thunderstorm. Very low risk, but we'll keep an eye on it. But again, the big story today is the heat. 112 today, 111 tomorrow. It's why both days remain weather action days. 110 on Sunday, and then we get into next week and we are hit with back-to-back days of 113 on Monday and Tuesday. We don't see anything below 110 until Wednesday and Thursday.